doing a study for our ecology with Dr. Donnelly on the nesting selection process for bluebirds and if they have specific preferences in their selection process. We're currently just gathering data on the bluebirds themselves and how well their nests are coming along. And the nest behind me, actually, the bluebirds like to use the posts of the soccer goals on the track field as perches to hunt for insects. And the boxes themselves were made by the Sigma Zeta sorority and were put up pretty much in between the two semesters. And that basically makes it ideal because we know where all the boxes are and they all have different orientations and surroundings, so we can see which ones they prefer. A couple of them are empty and another two actually have non-bluebirds in them. One has a chickadee and the other has a brown-headed nuthatch. But nest in holes in trees that are made by woodpeckers and other birds, so they're called second cavity nesters. They look for holes that have already been made, move in, and build a nest inside them. The problem is, back in the 20s, loggers took out most of the large trees that had the holes they prefer. So bluebirds were left with very few places where they could actually live. The bird boxes actually take the place of the holes in the trees, and the bluebirds don't actually have, there is no negative consequence to using a box versus using an actual tree cavity. So they're actually used as a conservation tool to keep bluebirds in it and get them back into areas where historically they lived.